Question 51. Mr. Smith refused to take a bath. The nurse aide bathed him anyway. What resident right was violated? A. The right to complain. B. The right to privacy. C. The right to schedule. D. The right to refuse treatment. Answer D. Explanation. Every resident has the right to make decisions regarding their care, including refusing care or treatment. Mr. Smith could file a grievance after being bathed against his will, and a nurse aide could be disciplined. Question 52. Mrs. Parker comes to you very upset. She tells you that her special period bracelet is missing. What should you do? A. Tell Mrs. Parker she shouldn't be so careless. B. Call family to inform them of a possible theft. C. Report the missing bracelet to the nurse. D. Ask her why she can't keep track of things. Answer C. Explanation. When a person moves to an assisted care or long-term care facility, that is their new home. They have the right to bring personal items, furniture, and clothing, as long as there is no safety risk for others. They also have the right to expect staff to help protect items and look for them if they are lost. If an item goes missing, report it to the nurse. Question 53. An aide puts a resident in a reclining position in a chariot chair so he cannot stand up while the aide takes care of other residents. This is a violation of residents' right to A. Watch his favorite TV show. B. Be free from restraints. C. Visit with other residents. D. Be able to get a snack. Answer B. Explanation. One of the basic rights of the resident is to be free from restraints. Restraints can never be used as a means of discipline or punishment, nor they can be used for staff convenience. Physical restraints are anything that restrict movement. This includes positioning a resident so they are unable to get up or stand. Question 54. If a resident refuses to eat a certain food because of a religious preference, the CNA should A. Tell the resident there are no special menus. B. Respect the resident's religion and notify the dietitian. C. Ask the family to bring in special foods. D. Allow the resident to go hungry until the next meal. Answer B. Explanation. Cultural diversity includes diets for religious reasons. There may not be foods that are not allowed, strict rules for preparations, or fasting on certain days. Diets may be important in the healing process for these clients. Not getting what they need can feel like a sin or violation of their faith. Healthcare professionals must make sure the client's dietary needs are met and their religious beliefs are supported. Question 55. Residents have the right to file complaint or grievance without fear of punishment. This procedure is guaranteed by A. Laws of the state, B. Facility policies, C. Resident Bill of Rights, D. State Health Department. Answer C. Explanation. Residents have the right to file complaints or grievance about the health care, treatment, or services in a nursing home. They also have a right to prompt response from the nursing home administrators without any fear of punishment or revenge. Some reasons for filing a complaint include abuse, neglect, inadequate staffing, poor care, nutrition problems, unsanitary conditions, and unsafe situations. Question 56. Respect is demonstrated by the nurse aide for the resident by A. Agreeing with the resident on everything. B. Always listening to what the resident has to say. C. Keeping the resident's room free of clutter. D. Correcting the resident's grammar mistakes. Answer B. Explanation. When a nurse aide uses active listening to communicate with the resident feels respected and appreciated. By giving the resident undivided attention without interrupting, the aide-resident relationship can be developed. Listening can also help avoiding misunderstandings. Question 57. Who should manage the resident's finances? A. The resident. B. The administrator. C. The family. D. The attorney. Answer A. Explanation. The resident has the right to manage their money or to designate someone else to do it. Sometimes a resident will ask the facility to hold their money. If so, the facility must give the resident full access to their account and protect the funds. Question 58. A new resident brings family photos and a favorite lamp with her. What should you say to her? A. The photos can stay, but this lamp looks expensive. It might not be safe here. B. Sorry, but we aren't allowed to let residents decorate their rooms. C. There is a limit to how many personal items a resident can bring. D. How nice. Where shall we hang the photos? Do you want your lamp to be your bed? Answer D. Explanation. One of the residents' rights is being able to keep personal possessions and to make their room comfortable and home-like. They may furnish their room as long as it does not interfere with the safety and health or that of others. The facility must provide reasonable security for the possessions. Question 59. A new resident refuses to wear clothing protector at lunch. The nurse aide should A. Put the clothing protector on the resident. B. Tell the resident that he must wear it. C. Respect the resident's wishes. D. Report the resident to the nurse in charge. Answer C. Explanation. Every resident has the right to make decisions regarding their care, including refusing care. They also have the right to make choices. Don't force a new resident to wear clothing protector. The resident may still be adjusting to their new environment or may feel embarrassed to put on a bib. Allow the resident to settle in and become familiar with the facility. Question 60. Component adults in long-term care facilities may want to maintain sexual activity, which could interfere with their desire. A. Physical disability. B. Family intrusion. C. Lack of privacy. D. All of the above. Answer D. Explanation. Humans can remain sexual throughout their lives. If residents are mentally competent, they can decide to seek intimacy. Residents have a right to express their sexuality as long as it is not public and does not harm the resident or others. Assure privacy for residents and avoid commenting to co-workers. Families may not understand that their relative has sexual needs. Physical limitations can interfere with sexual activity. If a resident tells you about their problems, ask the nurse or social worker to speak with them. Thank you for watching.